Morning, dear children. This is the third part of organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. Before moving to IUPAC nomenclature, first we will see the classification of carbon and hydrogen atoms on the basis of number of carbon attached. First is primary carbon atom. When carbon atom is attached with one other carbon atom only, it is called primary carbon atom. When carbon atom is attached with two other carbon atoms, it is called secondary carbon atom and it is denoted at 2 degree. Tertiary carbon atom. When carbon atom is attached with three other carbon atoms, it is called tertiary and it is denoted as 3 degree carbon atom. Quaternary carbon atom. When carbon atom is attached with four other carbon atoms, it is called quaternary or 4 degree carbon atom. Whatever I have said, I hope you have not understood. This is the time to understand what I have taught you. So, number one, primary carbon atom. Concentrate on this example and see a carbon atom linked to one or no carbon atom is called primary carbon. See here this carbon, it is attached to only this carbon. See, look at this carbon, it is attached to this one single carbon. This carbon attached to one single carbon. This carbon attached to one single carbon. This carbon attached to one single carbon. So, when carbon atom linked to one carbon atom is called primary carbon atom. It is denoted by 0. And suppose if I write CH4, here only one carbon atom is here. So we can say that this carbon atom is not linked to any other carbon, but this will be called as primary carbon. Okay, and primary carbon is all it can be linked with 3 or 4 hydrogen atoms. See here, CH3, 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 CH3. When it is single, it is showing CH4. Otherwise, it will be attached to 3 hydrogen atom. So, this was your primary carbon. Now, let's see the secondary carbon. Secondary carbon, a carbon atom linked to two other carbon atom is called secondary carbon. Now, look at this carbon. From one side it is linked to one carbon, other side it is linked to other carbon. Okay, no other carbon we will find that it is linked with two carbon. This one, this one, this 1, 2, 3, 4. So only this is your secondary carbon. Okay, and such a carbon atom is linked to two hydrogen atoms. You can see here two hydrogen atoms. So, and it is denoted by 2 degree. Now let's see tertiary carbon atom. A carbon atom linked to three other carbon atom is called tertiary carbon. See this carbon? 1, 2, 3. Three side it is bonded with other carbon, so it is tertiary carbon. And such a carbon atom is linked to one hydrogen atom only. With hydrogen also we can attachment of hydrogen also we can find out which carbon it is primary, secondary or tertiary. Here you can see that tertiary carbon atom is linked only with one hydrogen atom, so it is the tertiary carbon. Last one, quaternary carbon, a carbon atom linked to four other carbon atom. See this carbon, this carbon is attached from all the four sides with other 4 carbons. So it will be called as quaternary carbon, and quaternary carbon has no hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is your representation. Many other example can be given and you can find out primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon atom. Reactivity of carbon atom. tertiary is most reactive, then secondary, then primary. All these things we will study in the mechanism. So let's proceed to other topic. Now, on the basis of position of functional group, what is alpha carbon? Carbon which is directly attached to the functional group is called alpha carbon, and beta carbon is the carbon which is directly attached to the alpha carbon is called beta carbon. This should be alpha carbon. See here, one example is here. This is a functional group. With this functional group, this carbon is attached. This is alpha carbon. With this carbon is attached. This is beta carbon. Another example, this is our functional group. To the functional group, this carbon is attached, so it is alpha carbon. To alpha carbon, this carbon is attached, it is beta carbon. Another example, this is our functional group. To this functional group, this carbon is attached, so this is our alpha carbon. To this alpha carbon, this carbon is attached, so this is beta carbon. Classification of hydrogen atoms. Primary hydrogen. Hydrogen which is attached to primary carbon is called primary hydrogen. Secondary hydrogen. Hydrogen which is attached to secondary carbon is your secondary hydrogen. Tertiary hydrogen. Hydrogen which is attached to tertiary carbon is called tertiary hydrogen. Here quaternary will not come because quaternary carbon contains no hydrogen. Now children, get ready with your register and pen. Write few structures and we will write its IUPAC name. See the first structure. Write it in your copy. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, one branch of C2H5, single bond CH, double bond CH2. And try to write its IUPAC name. First thing, we have to find out the longest and continuous carbon chain. So from every side, but if it is visible to you, then too you have to check it from every side. On the top 2 carbon, if I will go to write 2, 3, 4, 5. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From every side we are getting 5. So any numbering can be done from any side. And 5 is coming, so penta will be our root word. And 1 on 3 we can see a R alkyl group, alkyl, but 2 carbon it is, so it is an ethyl group. So on the third position an ethyl group is attached, so prefix will be 3-ethyl, root word penta. And now we have to show the position of the double bond. It is on 1 carbon as well as it is present on the 4th carbon. So 1,4-diene. This will be the IUPAC name of this compound. Now let's come to the other compound. Note down this compound. Don't see the answer, children. CH3, CH2, bond CH, branch Cl, CH, branch Br, single bond CH2, single bond CH, branch NO2, bond CH2, bond CH3. Now we have to first see that longest chain from left hand side or from right hand side, it is similar, but from which side we have to move. Why we have started from this carbon, why not from this carbon? We have to remember that whenever we are writing the name or we are choosing the numbering of carbon, we have to see that the groups which are attached should get, the functional group should get the least number. Here three functional groups are present: chloro, bromo and nitro. If you are going to the answer is wrong, because from the book where I have taken, it has given wrong. See, the numbering should be done from this carbon. Because this is the our functional group and it should get the least number. Okay, and here chloro and bromo will be our prefix. C for chloro, B for bromo. So alphabetically we write in prefix. So we will write here, the name should be 5 bromo, 6 chloro, 3 nitro octane. 5 bromo, 6 chloro, 3 nitro octane. Come to next compound. CH3 bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH3. Second carbon will contain a branch Br. So first we have to check the numbering. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. From both the side we are getting 5 carbon. Now from which side we have to move? We have to move from that side to which we are on which we are having our functional group. It should get the least number. So here you can find the functional group double bond. So this double bond, if we will come from this side, it is on 3 and carbon, and when we are coming from mm, left hand side, sorry, right hand side, it is getting second number. Okay, so numbering is correct. Now let's write the name. 5 carbon, so your root word will be pent. 1 branch is on fourth carbon. 4 bromo, pent. On the second position, double bond is there, so 2 ene. 4 bromo pent 2 ene. The name should be so clear that if we have to make the structure of the compound without any difficulty, we should be able to write the structure of the compound. So every position in either on 1 2 3 double bond we are writing ene is not sufficient. We have to mention that at second position ene is present. So it should be very clear. Now let's move on to next question. CH3 branch C, CH3 bond C, one branch above C6H5, one branch below CH3, single bond CH, CaCl, CH3, CO, CH3. Now let's first see the longest carbon chain. 1 2 3 4 5. From left hand side, right hand side also 5. If we will go in any branch, then 2, it will be the small chain. So continuous chain is from this side or this side. So which way we have to choose? First we have to find out our functional group. The main functional group is this keto group, CO group. So it should get lowest number. So numbering will be we will start the numbering from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbering is correct. Now let's write its name. Root word is pent. Now see here at 3 position we are having chloroethyl. This group and 1 and 2 carbon. So methyl ethyl. It is chloroethyl. It is phenyl group. It is methyl group. CMP. So C alphabet is first. So 3, it is on the third carbon. 3, 1 dash to represent that this is here is a 1 carbon. 1 dash chloroethyl. 4 methyl. 4 at the same carbon only, phenyl. 4 phenyl. Pentane. 2 one. So this will be the IUPAC name of this structure. Come to other compound. Structure is clear. Draw it in your copy. Written. Now see here. Carbon chain is clear. First we can see here that 2 functional groups are present. Oh, this COOH and this CO. This is the, in the priority list you have seen that COH is on the top. So this will get the least number, and this carbon also is counted. So from here we will write the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting is correct. Now let's start writing. 2 functional group is here. So only 1 can be the suffix. So 1 will come in the prefix. This is CO group, keto group, and this is in the prefix it is right oxo. So 4 at the fourth carbon it is present. 4 oxo. For 5 carbon pentane, and for this 1 oic acid. 4 oxopentanoic acid is also correct, and if I write 4 oxopentanoic acid 1 is also correct. Now write the other structure. CH3, CO, CH3. Okay, from any side we can do the counting, from left hand to right hand or from right hand to left hand. So whatever is given is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. On second and third position 2 keto group is present. For keto we write one as its suffix name. So 4 carbon methylprobute, butane 2,3 dione, or but 2,3 dione. Both is correct. Let's leave the top example, but when I will select the pen it will be lost. So see the other example 10. Draw it in your copy. CH3 dash CH2 dash CH OCH3 dash CH2 dash CO dash Cl. See in this group, see in this structure, we can see 2 groups, 2 functional group. COCl. In the priority list, this is above this OCH3, so we will start giving number from this side. Numbering is correct. Like this only we will write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time to write the name. 5 carbon, so pentane will be there as a root word. This methoxy group is present as third carbon. So 3 methoxy pentane, and for this we write oil, OYL, oil chloride. 3 methoxy pentane oil chloride. Dash 1 also we can also write, but it is clear if it is number is not written, it means it is on the first position. Okay.